If you are building an online community, two of the most popular platforms you will come across are Mighty Networks and Circle. But which one is actually better for you? Let's break it down quickly. What they are. Mighty Networks is an all in one community platform that lets you build a branded space with courses, memberships, events, and even mobile apps. Circle is a clean, modern community platform focused on discussions, courses, and memberships, but with a stronger emphasis on simplicity and user experience. Community features. Mighty Networks gives you a lot of tools in one place: community feed, courses and digital products, events and live streams, native mobile apps. Circle focuses more on structured communities, clean discussion spaces, spaces for topics or groups, better organization for conversations, strong integrations with tools like Notion, Zapier, and Slack. In short, Mighty Networks equal feature heavy, Circle equal clean and focused. Customization and branding. Mighty Networks allows deeper branding, especially with higher plans and even white label mobile apps. Circle also supports branding, but it's more limited compared to Mighty Networks. Winner: Mighty Networks. Ease of use. Circle is known for its clean UI and is generally easier for beginners to set up and manage. Mighty Networks can feel a bit overwhelming because of its many features. Winner: Circle. Pricing. Both platforms are premium tools. Mighty Networks starts lower, but costs increase quickly with advanced features like apps. Circle, slightly more expensive upfront, but more predictable pricing. Final verdict: choose Mighty Networks if you want an all in one platform with courses, events, and strong monetization tools. Choose Circle if you want a clean, simple, and highly organized community experience. Bottom line: Mighty Networks is better for creators who want everything in one place. Circle is better for those who want simplicity and smooth community engagement. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. And tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for, Mighty Networks or Circle, and why. Thanks for watching and goodbye.